board and chairs and desks, sofa menu, help us learn and sittings through.
To those who came with hands so kind, yes, we mean you, Kwakha, Indvodza guys. With time and tools and love combined, you gave us more than we could say. You brought us hope in every way. For every nail, for every screw, for work you chose so freely to do, we thank you now with all our hearts for giving us this brand new start.
May kindness return, both near and far, as bright as every fixed up star. With joy we learn, we love, we grow. Because of you, our gratitude flows.
The joy that these people has brought to Bhunya Primary School.
It's to equip these young men to be able to generate a sustainable income by giving them skills, knowledge and tools necessary for them to make this possible. So here at Bhunya, we came with some of our graduates in which we trained in welding and in carpentry. So they came here to get an in-the-job experience. We are very much grateful to Changing Futures who made it possible for this project to be implemented. We clap hands for Changing Futures.
Otherwise, we're really grateful to our sponsors. We're going to make sure that we take good care of this. May you please continue doing this a great job.
So in overall, we did 4 schools. This is the last one of them. Also overall, we gave a donation of 571 desks to all the schools.
But in all the speeches that I've heard today, from the teachers, from the school committee, from the head teachers, and from your students themselves, I'm convinced that the work that Kwakha Indvodza has done will be looked after very well. And I'm happy to report to the people who made this possible